Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure the phone won't die during the process, so plug it in or have at least 50% battery. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network to avoid data limits. Once connected, sign into your Apple ID or Google account so cloud backup can run. Now open Settings and go straight to Backup. Don't delay. This first action saves app data and settings, which is why you start here before any reset. Once in Backup Settings, turn on the options for Photos, Contacts, Messages, and App Data. Enable automatic backups if desired. Tap Backup now to create a fresh copy and watch the progress until it reaches 100% or shows a recent timestamp. After completion, verify critical items, open Photos, Contacts, and a few apps to confirm data appears. This confirmation prevents surprises after the reset. So now perform the factory reset. Go to Settings, pick System or General, then reset and erase all data. Authenticate with your passcode or account password when prompted. The phone will reboot and present the initial setup. Choose Restore from iCloud or Google Drive and select the backup you just verified. Once restored, test key apps, messages, and photos. If restoration fails, try toggling Wi-Fi, sign out and back into the account, then retry the restore. That single troubleshooting step resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.